Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to contact Zendrop support. So in order to do this, navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar, type in Zendrop. Now click on the link that says zendrop.com. It is going to take you to this page. Click on the login button. After you click on login, it will take you to this sign up or sign in page where you'll have to basically enter your email account and password with which you have created your account. Now click on the login button. After you click on login, it will instantly take you to your Zendrop dashboard. Now on the dashboard you can see I have all the tools available at the left and I have some options at the top of this screen. Now, starting a chat with Zendrop 24/7 customer success team is quick and easy. All you need to do is click on the widget icon at the bottom right side of the screen and it will show you this page. Now, click on the Ask a Question button here. And as you can see, we are chatting with ZenBot, an AI-powered bot trained by Zendrop experts. It will ask you, how can I help? So on this page, you'll have to choose your problems area. So for example, I will have problems with my account, so I'll click on account. You have other options that you can choose from. Now it will ask you some questions regarding your problem. So I will choose for example the activate account. Now as you can see, it says great news. One of our dropshipping experts of the human variety is available to help you out right now. They will reach out shortly. So you'll have to basically ask your question, and if this bot will not be able to answer your questions, it will instantly assign you a human expert. So you'll have to just wait and a Zendrop customer support will reach you soon. So you'll have to basically wait, and whenever the customer support team will be available, you will see a notification appearing just at this small icon at the bottom right, and you can navigate to messages, then choose your message at the top and easily contact with the Zendrop support team. So that's how you contact Zendrop support. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.